I have this question for the water rehydrate claim evidence activity. How accurately can amount of water molecules in a sample of copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate be determined experimentally? We are going to cross this one off. We're going to get the empty evaporating dish mass, a mass for copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate, anhydrous, as well as water. This is experimental. So the first mass is the mass of the empty dish. So this is on 0 grams. So I'm going to set my tray right here in 1.63. 1.63 is the mass here. All right. I'm going to slide this over. Maybe we can get both. All right. I'm going to re-zero that, and I'm going to get the mass of as close to 5 grams of copper sulfate pentahydrate as I can. If we're off a little bit, it's okay. I re-zeroed this so the scale is ignoring my tray and just recording the mass of this blue compound. Oops, that was too much. That's okay. So write 5.68 grams for your mass of copper sulfate pentahydrate right here. 5.86 grams. Now, this is copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. We're going to set the scale aside and replace it with a hot plate. The difference between copper sulfate pentahydrate and anhydrous is water. So there's water adhered to the copper sulfate pentahydrate, and we're going to evaporate that water off. We will know it's evaporating off because there'll be a color change. Right now it's this crazy blue color, but it'll start to change color. I've turned the hot plate up to about 4 on the scale, and I'll give that a minute or so, see if some of it will change, and then we're gonna turn this off and pause and come back, because it takes a few minutes and it will be too large of a file for me to upload. It's getting warm. Just testing it. Don't do this at home. Oh, that's why. Something didn't seem right. Got to plug in the hot plate. Okay. So, here we go. Now we're cooking with fire. And I'm going to leave this on the hot plate and we'll come back to it.